How to add to your close friends story on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to add to your close friends story on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we need to find 3 lines at the top right corner and tap on them. In the appearance menu we see option Close Friends and we should click on it as well. Now in the search bar you can type friend's name and then tap on it. Also you can select someone from suggested list. You can add friends to close friends as much as you wish. Then just tap on Done at the bottom. Also you can tap on Loop at the bottom and find your friend here in the search bar and open his profile. Now you should find option Following and tap on it. In the appearance menu you need to tap on Add to Close Friends list. And that's all. It was how to add to your close friends story on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.